Hello everyone, welcome to Yagentio Training Academy. Today topic, Upgrade Strategies Overview. In modern AI platforms, upgrading agent systems without downtime is critical. Let's explore the most effective upgrade strategies used in Kubernetes and Istio environments. First, the rolling upgrade strategy. This is the default deployment method in Kubernetes. Pods are replaced one by one, ensuring continuous availability. With max unavailable set to 0 and max surge set to 1, there is no downtime during the upgrade. This approach works best for stateless AI agents. Next, the blue-green deployment strategy. Here, we maintain two identical environments, blue and green. Blue is live, while green contains the new version. Using Istio Virtual Service, we switch traffic instantly from blue to green. If something goes wrong, rollback is immediate by switching back. Now, let's look at Canary Releases. In this strategy, only a small percentage of traffic, typically 5%, is routed to the new version. We monitor metrics like error rates and latency for a fixed duration. If everything looks stable, we gradually increase traffic to 100%. Moving on to A/B testing. Traffic is split based on request headers such as X-agent-version. This allows testing different AI models or features for specific users or use cases, helping teams make data-driven decisions. Another powerful technique is shadow deployment, also known as dark launch. Here, 100% of live traffic is mirrored to the new version. The new system processes requests, but its responses are ignored. This allows safe validation without impacting users. Finally, feature flags. With tools like Launch Darkly, features can be enabled or disabled dynamically. This means you can deploy code once and control feature access per user, tenant, or region without redeploying. In conclusion, combining these strategies ensures zero downtime, reduces risk, and enables safe experimentation in AI agent systems. If you want more latest career updates, please subscribe to follow our channel, click bell icon, like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.